Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your online status and appear offline using your phone for the PlayStation 4 or PS5. So first you want to go and get the PlayStation app. So go over to the Google Play Store or App Store and get PlayStation app, and then open this up and sign in with your PlayStation information. Now this is going to be the home screen, and you're going to see your profile right here. Select your profile, and you can kind of see on your profile there is a small little green circle right next to your picture, and mine looks like it has a little negative sign by it. So we should be able to just go to online status right here, and it looks like mine is set to busy for some reason. So I can go to appear offline and then go to done. Now this is going to reflect on my PlayStation as well. So this is going to make me appear offline on my PlayStation as well as on the app here. So you can see the little symbol changed. So maybe I want to switch to online and then go to done. So you might forget that you did this, and then when you switch it over later on, you might have to come back here and just make sure it's switched on the app too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.